Hello everyone, my name is Vinzens from Technical Support, and today I'm going to show you how to retrofit our drop chute on a Uni or example box. We have two different drop chutes in our product range. These differ in their installation depth according to our actuator plates. On the one hand, we have the drop chute with article number 9,240,951, which is suitable for our plastic actuator plates, as well as TECE Lux, Mini, TECE Square Glass, Plastic Button, and TECE Loop Glass. When you are working with our specific metal actuator plates, that is TECE Solid, TECE Square 2 Metal, and TECE Square 2 Glass, it is necessary to use the drop chute with article number 924052. Throughout the course of this video, I will demonstrate exactly how to retrofit the 925095 on an already installed TECE now. The following materials are included in the package. First, the installation manual, a new splash guard with a holder for the basket for the cleaning tabs, a mounting frame, which I'll talk more about later, a metal plate, and mounting hardware. The insertion chute can only be retrofitted when operated from the front. For disassembly or assembly of the insertion chute, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. First of all, the existing TECE needs to be removed. Loosen the two mounting screws, and then remove the actuator rods. When you are working with our plastic actuator flaps, please make sure to double check that the mounting frame has these three specific holes right here. If you find that there aren't any holes in this area, you will definitely need to use the new mounting frame that comes included with the kit. For all other actuator plates for this insertion chute, like TECE Lux, Mini, TECE Lux Glass, TECE Spare Glass, or plastic buttons, you'll need the mounting frame that's already installed. To start off, the existing splash guard will first need to be completely removed. And then the entire actuator bracket needs to be carefully pulled off. And the Easyfit holder will also need to be carefully detached from the currently installed splash guard. Next, we carefully remove the splash guard from the inside of the insertion chute and securely fasten the basket to the back here. Then install the Easyfit holder at the top section and down here at the bottom. Carefully snap the actuator bracket back into its original position in the middle section. Once that is secure, you can proceed to reinsert the splash guard back into the main body of the flush tank. Gently open the flap and pull the basket all the way out to ensure you have enough clearance. Taking this step makes it much easier to properly align and insert it into the flush tank before you finally close the slider securely. Now take the metal plate that was supplied in your kit and insert the included screws into the openings that have been designated for them, then securely screw the entire assembly onto the splash guard. If you find that the screws are a bit too short, you can simply reuse the original screws from the actuator plate. Next, carefully take the guide sleeve Insert it into the specific designated opening and push it firmly upwards until it clicks into place. Now, go ahead and take the supplied mounting frame that features the pre-drilled holes and carefully screw the guide pins into their designated positions at both the very top and the very bottom of the unit. For installation, start at the top, then do the bottom. After that, the metal guide pin is carefully pushed into the cylindrical guide sleeve. The actuator rods are reinstalled. Then position the actuator plate directly on tug. And just like that, the drop-in compartment is ready to use. Simply pull it forward, fold it down, and select the tab. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us, send us an email, or message us on WhatsApp.